All right, guys, Rican Biker here. Making a video on these AlphaRex lights that I got. Wanted to get the Marimoto, if you say it like that, headlights, but I just couldn't fathom dumping $1,300 on a set of lights, even though I know they're the best. But I guess if you don't have Marimoto money, these AlphaRex are just as good. I have 55 watt HID in the low, 6K, and an LED in the high. They are both H7 bulbs on this headlight setup. And then did the fuse tap for the daytime running lights, and it works like a champ. Lined them up really good. Love it. They are nice and bright, crisp. I had a set of aftermarket bulbs, I can't remember, or aftermarket headlights that I got off eBay, and after 1 year they started yellowing and cracking and looked like crap. So I got these. So I'll show you what they look like. There's the HIDs warming up, but show you the daytime running lights. They're actually brighter than I thought they would be. Start it up. So it is daytime. They're actually brighter than what the camera is showing, but they work well. Definitely help the look of the truck, and I absolutely love them. They're awesome. Now when you turn on the lights, the running lights dim a little bit. I'll show you that just so you can see it. Sorry, truck is super dirty. My brights are on. Well, you can see what the brights on. So there you go. Brights, HIDs. Then brights off. Those are LED fogs as well. So there you go. Pretty simple install. The only thing you've got to do is run the cable for the daytime running lights, which it's one cable. Then I've got it draped down here all the way down to this light, and then the fuse tap goes on the fuse box right there. I mean, I guess I could show you. I've got to come back and clean it up a little bit, as I just installed these not too long ago. Here we go. So fuse tap is the way to go. Don't do it any other way. Notched the box right there so it didn't pinch the cable too bad. I didn't notch it the first time I installed it and it pinched it. But there you go. Oh yeah, and I have electronic fan. Other mods on here too, but we're talking about the lights on this one, which look fantastic. I highly recommend it. Don't buy the eBay bullshit, because you're gonna be mad like I was. Anyway, there you go. I'll catch you guys later. See ya.